I know you've heard the buzz about AI, it's everywhere, but let's be honest, if you're of a certain age, you might be thinking things like, AI is too complicated for me, or I'm too late to learn this stuff. I don't need AI in my daily life. Well, today I'm here to tell you none of that is true. In fact, learning just a little bit about AI can make your life a whole lot easier, more efficient, and even more profitable. So in this video, I'm going to break down what AI actually is in simple terms, as simple as I possibly can anyway, how you're already using AI and you might not even be realizing it, and how AI can help you save time, make money, and work smarter. And don't worry, no complicated tech talk. I'll keep it easy, practical, and useful. Let's get started. All right, let's clear up some confusion. AI stands for artificial intelligence, but let's not overthink it. Think of AI like a smart assistant that helps you with tasks. It's not a robot, it's not some science fiction movie, although it might get there at some point. But for now, it's just smart software that learns patterns and helps you to automate things. Here's a simple way to understand it. Imagine you type a message on your phone and it suggests the next word. That's AI. When Netflix recommends a show you might like, that's AI. When your email automatically filters out spam, AI again. So here's the truth. You're already using AI every day. You just may not have realized it. Now let's talk about how learning a little more about AI can actually benefit you. One of the best things about AI is it makes life a little bit easier. Here are a few simple ways AI can help. One is with writing emails. You can do it a whole lot faster. Tools like ChatGPT can help you draft an email in seconds, so there's no more just staring at the blank screen. It can help you manage your calendar. AI-powered tools like Google Assistant can set reminders, schedule meetings, and even suggest the best times for appointments. It can help you save time with research. Instead of spending hours searching the internet, AI can summarize information for you in seconds. And these are just a few examples. The point is, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you. Now let's talk about something important, how AI can actually help you make money. Whether you're running a business, working a job, or starting something new, AI can help you work smarter, not harder. For business owners, AI can help you create marketing content faster or automate customer service without hiring extra staff. It can help you analyze trends and predict what your customers want. For job seekers and professionals, AI can help you improve your resume with AI tools. It can help you practice for job interviews with AI coaching, and it can help you stay ahead in your industry by learning the latest trends. For content creators, AI can help you generate video ideas for a YouTube channel, for example. It can help you edit videos a whole lot faster these days, and it can even write scripts just like this one. I actually use AI all the time to create drafts of my scripts, and then I go in and edit for my own style. So whether you're working, running a business, or just looking for ways to earn a little extra cash, AI can be a game changer. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but I'm just not tech savvy. Here's the good news. You don't have to be. If you can type a message, click a button, use Google, well, then you can use AI. Many AI tools today are super simple. You just type what you need, and AI helps you get it done. And the best part is most AI tools are free or very affordable. So the real question isn't, can I learn AI? It's how can I start using it to make my life easier? All right, so you're ready to give AI a try. Where do you start? Here are 3 super simple steps. Number 1 is try a free AI tool. Go to chatgpt.com or use Google's Gemini. Type in a question and see how AI responds. Number 2 is use AI for something you already do. Try using AI to write an email, for example, or create a to-do list or brainstorm ideas. Just start small, no need to overwhelm yourself. Number 3, stay curious. Watch tutorials, follow AI discussions, and explore how people are using AI in everyday life. Remember, the best way to learn AI is to just start using it. So AI is not complicated. It's just smart software that helps with tasks. You're already using AI in your daily life without realizing it, and AI can save you time, help you work smarter, and even boost your income. You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI. You just need to try it. Now, here's a challenge I have for you. Try using an AI tool this week, even today, and tell me how it helped you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you tried. I'd love to hear your thoughts and your experiences. And if this video was helpful, consider hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I'm really grateful for that. It helps me grow this channel, and you won't miss the next video. Maybe it'll be one of these helpful videos you watch next, and I'll see you there.